PowerPoint Lesson 9, Creating Movement Paths. We use paths in PowerPoint to create animations. We'll now demonstrate how to create a straight path to move this sailboat from the right side of the screen to the left. Here we'll click on the sailboat to make it selected. You'll know it's selected by the handles appearing around the image. Then we move our mouse up to the slideshow menu at the top of the screen and choose Custom Animation. The Custom Animation taskbar appears on the right-hand side of our PowerPoint screen. We'll choose the Add Effect button, and from that, select the Motion Paths command. You'll notice there's many different paths to choose from. We're simply going to choose Left. Once we do, PowerPoint immediately demonstrates that movement for us. The straight path appears with a green starting point and a red stopping point. Both of these points may be moved to change the position of your animation. In a moment, we'll learn how to extend the path to have the sailboat move a greater distance. A motion path is a graphic object, and as such, we need to click on it to display its handles. Once we do that, we can click on the handle for the red portion of our path to extend it. When you click and drag the path, it's best to hold down the Shift key on your keyboard to maintain a perfectly straight line. That's it. The path has been extended. Now we'll move our mouse over to the Play button in the Custom Animation taskbar and click Play to test our new path. When the animation concludes, it returns to its starting position. Let's review creating a straight path in PowerPoint. What we'll do is take this second sailboat and move it to the right. We first select it, and then move to the Custom Animation taskbar and click Add Effect. From the list of effects, we'll choose Motion Paths, and because we want to move the sailboat to the right, we'll select the Right command. PowerPoint immediately demonstrates the movement. We've successfully created a path, but now we'd like to extend it so the sailboat moves completely across the screen. We'll select the path that we created, and then holding down the Shift key, we'll click and drag to the right. Now that our path has been extended, we can try it out by clicking the Play button on the Custom Animation taskbar. Notice the mouse icon next to each of the items in the Custom Animation taskbar. That indicates we'll have to click the mouse in order to animate each of these items. Creating a custom path. We'll now demonstrate how to create a custom path in PowerPoint. We're going to animate this soccer ball, so we'll click it to select it, and then move the mouse over to the Custom Animation taskbar and click Add Effect. The effect we're adding is a motion path, so we'll select Motion Path from the list of commands and choose Draw Custom Path. The one we're going to select is Scribble, which is an open-ended path. After we select Scribble, you'll note that the mouse pointer becomes a pencil shape. We click the pencil where we want to start the path, and then draw down and up, in this case, to create a simulation of the ball bouncing when it moves along the path. When we lift the mouse button, the animation is effective. We might decide to adjust this particular animation path because it's moving the soccer ball slightly off the slide. We click the path and then move it slightly to the left, and to test out our new path, we'll click the Play button on the Custom Animation taskbar. When we click Play, the soccer ball becomes animated. Our example here shows many of the ways you can use motion paths in your PowerPoint presentation. This concludes Lesson 9, Creating Paths in PowerPoint.